16.
Ah,
I wanted to fix a date if I will on 4 December.
before December,
4 December.
16 December.
16 December.
Like wait for listing and anticipate bail. I will just file on Saturday, last Saturday. Day after tomorrow. Yeah. No, more than 7 years.
May I please, Your
Mm.
Lordship? Lordship, I have filed one IA in connection to item number 36,
Mm.
but it has not come on record. If you may
We'll bring it on record.
oblige.
May I please, Your
Hmm.
Lordship, I would like to mention item number 31.
Mm.
Lordship, this matter may be adjourned for the day. Your Lordship, engaged counsel of this instant case, he is busy with his wife of medical treatment.
Okay.
Your Honor, I informed the other side, did know.
Your name?
Your, as thus on behalf of P. Mishra.
Learned Counsel Miss S. Das on behalf of Miss P. Mishra with the consent of the other side is paid for adjournment. List the matter
Next week?
January?
Uh,
Next week?
Your Lordship, if you can kindly fix on date 8 or 9 of next week, this
Hearing matter? Or motion?
admission. Oblige.
Maybe.
Oblige.
No, listing immediate orders matter, my lord. As interim order is supporting, my lord. That has to continue, my lord. That is why he got to.
Which one?
I'm mentioned for listing.
Okay, all right.
I fifth.
হেৰি ডিচেম্বৰ জানুৱাৰী টাইম সেইখন কেলেণ্ডাৰখন ওলালে নেকি এখন দি দিলে ভাল আছিল হ'ব
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 37 of the daily list, Lordship. Matter may be possible for the day, Lordship.
as requested past matter is passed over for the day
Interim is there, Lordship.
interim order shall remain in force till the next date of listing
37. Oblige, Lordship.
Lordship, I'm praying for listing of a criminal appeal, Lordship. It is pending actually. The Honorable Court had directed an inquiry into the juvenility. He has been found to be a juvenile, Lordship,
Okay.
and he's in detention, Lordship. It was last listed on 28th of October, but it was left out, Lordship. So I'm praying that on Wednesday or Thursday, they can.
5th December
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship? Hello, I am
Lordship,
praying
can
for,
it be 4th? I'm sorry, 5th is there.
yes can
Much obliged.
my Lord, I am praying for listing on criminal revision petition, Lordship. Can you take up on 4th or 5th, Lordship?
4th of December
4th, yes, Lordship.
criminal revision petition
Criminal, oblige.
Fabulous, Lordship. We are praying.
we'll spill over to next week hereafter okay because many matters are already fixed
I'm praying for an adjournment in item number 12, Lordship, for
12.
the day, Lordship.
An adjournment prayer has been made. List this matter after 1 week. 1 week, 2 weeks,
1 week.
1 week.
Hello.
Please, Your Lordship. I pray for mentioning of a bail application. The bail application will file on Thursday, but it's not been listed yet.
Special act or more than
More than 7 years.
more than 7 years already. All right.
Today is Wednesday, 3rd.
No.
of this.
That's what I was saying. Next week.
Says behind bars, ma'am. Says the lady says behind bars.
For how many days?
It's been 10 or 12 days around
10, 12 days. Okay. On Friday.
Friday. As please.
Lordship, I beg to mention for listing
Hmm.
on Wednesday, Lordship, criminal appeal. There is a IA for suspension of sentence.
Not on Wednesday. 8th December.
Of like,
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, I beg to mention item number 35, Lordship. Case diary was called for. Probably case diary is not available before, Lordship.
CD as called for is not received. Criminal petition.
Yes, Lordship.
Okay. Issue reminder, list the matter on after 1 week.
Lordship.
Any interim order?
No, Lordship. Date may be fixed, Lordship, if possible.
Yes, 11 December.
Much obliged.
May I please?
Yes, yes.
My matter is in the item number 4 because only notice is required to be issued. That is why I am mentioning because having one hearing matter in the
Okay.
court.
Okay, I can know. What about
So
the other
I'm-
side?
Other side, no, we'll have to issue the notice. We are filing.
Oh,
this-
you are, okay.
Yes, I am the petitioner,
Item
criminal
number-
revision.
Yes, sir.
We are challenging one order of the trial court.
And how many, nalage kya? Nalage. How many respondents?
And one, there are 4 respondents.
This M.
4
Kumari,
respondents.
Learned Standing Council CBI, no?
CBI.
Uh, is present for the
4
petitioner. Full stop. Steps may be taken to issue notice to the respondents, returnable within 4 weeks.
4 days. Okay. We'll take steps within 4 days. Much obliged.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes, yes.
I'd like to mention item number 15, lordship.
Mm.
Lordship, matter may be adjourned for today, lordship.
An adjournment request has been made on behalf of the petitioner. List the matter after 2 weeks, 1 week,
1 week, lordship.
1 week.
Deeply aware.
My lord, may I pray your lordship
Mm.
to upgrade one last item, my lord.
Yes, can.
Today's list
At 2,
at 2 p.m.
last item,
Last item. 40.
item number 40, okay. What is the emergency?
Emergency, my lord, I will not be available at Guwahati.
Okay,
Uh,
all right,
after-
all right,
after
at 2.
Highly available.
Item number 1, motion.
By this application, my lord, I have challenged the order dated 6/5/24, my lord, whereby the cross-examination of PW1 has been exempted, my lord. What happened, my lord? The respondent number 2 hearing has filed a complaint case.
It's okay, have you filed an additional affidavit?
Additional affidavit we have filed,
Based on order, okay.
and that is perhaps on record, my lord.
Mm.
I will
Let's
take-
see,
Starts from 144, my lord.
144.
144, my lord. After 6/5.
No, no, it's not on record. Additional affidavit is not on record. You want to place your matter today?
My lord.
We'll bring it on record then.
Right.
Additional affidavit to, after some time.
My lord.
Item 2, item 2.
Petitioner is not represented today. Petitioner was not present on the earlier date. On failure appearance of the petitioner on the next date, common necessary orders may follow. List this matter after 4 weeks period. 4 weeks.
Item 3,
Please, your lordship.
Mm.
So this is a revision petition, lordship, where the alien lordship convicted under section lordship 460A of IPC for 3 years, lordship, and by the learned additional CGM Udalguri, lordship. Thereafter he filed, lordship, thereafter he filed an appeal before the learned sessions judge, lordship, and that was rejected, lordship. Now, lordship, he filed this revision petition. The allegation is that allegation, lordship, will find
He was convicted for how many years?
3 years, lordship.
8 years,
3 years.
3 years.
3 years.
So you are asking for suspension of
Lordship,
sentence
I is there, lordship.
and bail.
Lordship.
You forwarded to custody.
No, lordship.
Okay. Yes, PP.
that call for the record, madam.
Yes.
Well, record may be called from at this place.
What is necessary, but
Suspension of
lordship,
sentence.
bail may be considered.
Well, after I receive the record, madam, I have to go through the record.
Hmm. We can allow him to remain on previous bail. He's already on bail.
Yes, madam. That
Okay.
Lordship.
Learned Counsel Mr. Ayu Chaudhary
Lordship.
is present on behalf of the applicant stroke petitioner, who has preferred a revision against the impugned judgment and order dated 6/11/2025 passed in criminal appeal number 1/2024 by the learned additional session judge Udalguri, affirming the judgment and order dated 3/11/2024 passed by the learned additional chief judicial magistrate Udalguri in PRC case number 1198/2017, whereupon the petitioner was convicted under section 468 of IPC and sentenced to undergo RI for 3 years and to pay a fine of rupees 20,000. Notice has been accepted on behalf of the respondent state, and thus no formal notice is required to be issued, extra copies to be furnished. Meanwhile, call for the record of criminal appeal number 1, records of criminal appeal number 1/2025 and the GR case, no?
PRC case, Lordship. PRC case number 1198 of
PRC case number 1198/2017, GR case number 715/2016 from the respective courts. It is submitted that the petitioner stroke applicant is already on previous bail. First of the petitioner is allowed to remain on previous bail till the next date. List the
On 6th January.
Lordship. Deeply obliged.
The IA to DSU. Main case to IA to একেলগে লিখি দিব পাৰে।
Item 5.
Deeply. May I please it, Lord?
Yes, yes.
We have filed this revision petition for enhancement of the maintenance amount as well as the effective date, modification of the effective date, Lordship. Impugned order is page 32.
Will issue notice? Will
Yes,
issue notice?
no, Lordship, another matter is there, Lordship. The opposite party husband has also filed another criminal revision and that matter is listed on 4/12. Filed criminal revision petition 382/25. This matter will be tagged with that matter.
Okay. 4/12, day after tomorrow.
Day after 4/12, Lordship. That number is criminal revision petition 382/25.
Learned Counsel Mr. S.K. Poddar is present for the petitioner, who steps to be taken to issue notice to the respondent. You have already state.
Other party, not today, on 4/11, 4/12, they will be there, Lordship, I will serve them.
Okay. Issue notice to the respondent, list this matter along with
Criminal revision petition 382/2025.
on 4, on 4,
Fixed on 4/12.
on 4/12. Okay.
Okay.
Item 6.
Yes, Your Lordship, my senior is on another court. May the matter be called after some time.
Item 7. May I please, Lord? My lord, this is against the order of maintenance. My lord, my case was that there was no marriage as per section 7 of Hindu Marriage Act.
I
And
won't stay, I won't stay.
my lord,
You want me to stay that
My lord.
amount, not now.
my lord,
Let us
it-
call for the,
admittedly, lordship,
maybe.
the
We'll find
record-
out, we'll find out. Let us call for the record.
their own evidence, lordship, saying that the marriage was not
Yes.
established.
We'll call for the record and then we'll decide. Learned Counsel Mr. M. Khan is present for the petitioner. Full stop. Petitioner to take steps to issue notice to the respondent, returnable in 4 weeks.
Yes.
This case has been disposed of.
Lordship,
Call for the records of. The petitioner is, the records to the petitioner is aggrieved by the judgment and order dated 1/9/2025, passed in Miss Case number 1/17 of 2023, as the petitioner is not legally married to the respondent. Issue to notice to the respondent returnable within 4 weeks. Extra copies to be furnished. The prayer for stay will be discussed or will be decided on the returnable date.
blessed.
Item 8.
Oh,
Finding.
it's in another code. Okay.
Item 9.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, yes.
So this petition is jointly filed by the parents of the alleged victim and the accused, Lordship, for quashing of the proceeding. Petitioner number 1 is the father of the alleged victim. Petitioner number 2 is the informant, who is the mother, and 3 is the accused, Lordship. The Lordship will find the FIR at page 18. An allegation is made that the accused, he tried to commit rape upon the alleged victim.
Of course, yes.
Herein, Lordship, charge sheet. Herein,
Please
charge-
read that, right?
with due respect,
You want to stay against the.
In this case, my lord, there are 2 accused, my lord. I am the accused number 2. Cognizance has been taken only against the accused number 2. If I may just read the order so that we have the facts, my lord, may I read it?
Okay.
The complainant Sri Rintu Kumar Pegu is absent because this I'm matter from the 3rd subpara. The record reveals that after filing of the instant complaint by Rintu Pegu, this court had recorded the statements of complainant and 2 witnesses, namely Jyotika Nath and Ripakhi Borbora on oath. It is now observed that such recording of statements was done prior to issuance of precognizance notice to the accused person and before hearing them, as contemplated under section 223 of BNSS, which stipulates that, I'm skipping the provision quoted. On perusal of the said provision, it appears that before taking cognizance of a complaint, the court must first issue precognizance notice to the accused persons and afford them an opportunity of being heard. Accordingly, recording the statements prior to such hearing was procedurally premature and not in consonance with the proper sequence of proceedings envisaged under section 223 BNSS. Hence, it is clarified that the statements of the complainant and witnesses earlier recorded shall not be treated as statements for the purpose of section 223 and shall not be relied for determination of cognizance. The said statement shall remain on record only for reference and shall not carry evidentiary value until properly recorded after cognizance if necessary. The procedural irregularity is hereby rectified and precognizance notice is deemed to have been issued to the accused persons in compliance with section 223. Heard counsels, peruse the complaint petition, the materials placed on record and heard counsels. The complainant, Sri Pegu, has alleged that accused number 2, that's me, my lord, who is employed as a senior assistant at the State Bank of India. My lord may kindly note the branch is Sivsagar branch. Illegally accessed his bank account and disclosed his financial details to accused number 1, Deepika Kutum, who is his estranged wife without authorization or consent. The complainant relied upon communications with the branch manager who allegedly confirmed that accused number 2 had accessed the complainant's account information upon request of accused number 1. The alleged act prima facie attracts ingredients of section 22 of IT Act, which penalizes breach of confidentiality and privacy by any person who having access to electronic information discloses the same without consent. As regards the other alleged offences under sections 43, 66 of IT Act, it appears that section 66 requires proof of dishonest or fraudulent intention, which is not made up from the materials placed. Section 43, on the other hand, provides for civil liability, not criminal prosecution. Similarly, the other number of sections of IPC do not disclose the necessary ingredients of criminal conspiracy, criminal misappropriation, breach of trust, or defamation. Hence, there is no sufficient material to proceed against the accused Deepika Kutum, and the complaint against her stands dismissed. However, there is prima facie material to proceed against Srimati Vandana Kohli under Section 72 IT Act. In view of that offence under Section 72,
All right.
cognizant. My lord, now I may point out here, there are the statements of the complainant and two witnesses were also there, and the complainant also relied, and we also relied, while whether cognizance should be taken or not. So now, not relying upon that and saying it's an irregularity, and so far as accused number 1 is concerned, the complaint stand dismissed. Proceeding against me when those statements remains on record is causing great prejudice to me, and in my respectful submission, the cognizance itself is not.
All right. I understand. Yes.
On the record and the notice to the respondent number 2.
Is that why wife is asking for her husband?
Yes.
Then anybody will give the details. Wife is asking for her husband detail.
And she is a nominee.
There is I have not clear, my lord, whether any such bank rule or not. That the others, my lord, details, the accounts details, whether it is.
Section 72 of the IT Act, let's see.
My lord, I have gone through all the regulations, my lord, and she being a bank employee, she's a authorized person to access the bank. Section 72.
IT Act kon lage. Yete thakibo pare de execution. Here nai.
I have a book. May I have?
IT Act kon rakha nohoy.
May I have?
No, I have books.
Thank you.
Sit. When someone has written that down. Thank you so much. It talks about penalty for breach of confidentiality and privacy. My lord has got it.
Yeah.
Save as otherwise provided in this act or any law for the time being in force, if any person who, in pursuance of any of the powers conferred under this act, rules or regulations made thereunder, has secured access to any electronic record, etc., I'm just skipping, without the consent of the person concerned, discloses such electronic record, book, register, correspondence, information, document, or other material to any other person shall be punished with term for so and so. In this case,
All right. You can stay, I think, 2 years. And the complainant is the husband.
complainant is the husband. And they have a lot of 498 on God knows how many cases, domestic violence cases, all this going on. This is also an ego.
But Ms. B.S. Goel, learned counsel for the petitioner. Srimati Vandana Kohli, who has filed this application under section 438 of the BN SS 2023. 438 is it the correct section? 438 for washing? I don't think so. It has to be 538 or 528.
I'll make the necessary connection. Still trying to get
We'll
acquainted
get
with the
it
new.
tomorrow, you get it corrected, we'll get it tomorrow,
Uh,
day after tomorrow. As it is, I was about to pass the orders.
My lord,
You'll
will
have to
just,
correct it.
my lord, just let me check, my lord.
430 BNWS to put us in. 430 to Hoban. Oh, yes, it's correct. It's correct. Application under
I'm
section
still trying to
528,
get
every section
acquainted.
438 of the BNWS 2023, seeking quashing of the proceeding as well as order of cognizance dated 4/11/2025 passed in CR case number 825/2024 by the learned Chief Judicial Magistrate Jorhat. Third, Mr. B. Sharma, learned additional PP, Assam, post up. The learned additional PP has accepted notice on behalf of the respondent number 1, and thus no formal notice is required to be issued. However, full stop, however, sufficient copies to be furnished during the course of the day. Full stop, issue notice to the respondent number 2. এইটো নামটো লিখিব নালাগে দেই, বন্দনা কোহলি বুলি লিখিব নালাগে হা। No, এইটো লিখিব পাৰে নামটো। Issue notice to লিখিব পাৰে Mrs. বন্দনা কোহলি। Issue notice to the respondent number 2, returnable within 4 weeks. Call for the scanned copies of the trial court records. Full stop. The petitioner is aggrieved by the impugned order as cognizance was taken against the petitioner instead of the estranged wife of the respondent number 2. Full stop. The dispute was primarily between the respondent number 2 and the estranged wife of the respondent number 2. Full stop. Who requested to get the details of her husband's bank details. Full stop. He has submitted that the respondent number 2's wife was already a nominee, and the petitioner has not violated any norms while disclosing the details. Full stop. In good faith, the bank details were disclosed by the petitioner to the respondent number 2's wife. Full stop. It appears that the proceeding and that further proceeding of against the petitioner may be stayed till the next date of at least till the next date of listing. List this matter after four weeks now. List accordingly. The full stop. Meanwhile, list after 4 weeks. List after 4 weeks. Meanwhile, the proceedings of CR case number 825 of 2024 is stayed till the next date of listing.
I'm ready.
Please, Your Lordship. My lord, this petition is filed against my lord in connection with the POXO and my lord the child marriage case. My
Will issue notice?
lord, kindly see the my lord.
No.
POXO
Will
notice.
issue notice, POSCO Act. No point.
My lord,
No point lingering.
this is a fresh case, my lord. Earlier file, it was withdrawn due to some defect. Earlier case was solved, my lord.
Whatever it is, we'll have to issue notice. There's a notification. What is the point?
In fact, my lord, she is my lord appearing.
Learned counsel, Mr.
M is now.
M. Islam is present for the petitioner. Learned additional PP, Mr. B. Soma is present for the respondent state. Post of petitioner to take steps to issue notice to the respondent number 2. Returnable on, will give you a date. Meanwhile, call for this case has been disposed of, or this case is charge sheeted, or what?
Charge sheeted case.
Meanwhile, call for the scanned copies of the trial court record.
Item 13, my lord, protection may be given, my lord. Interim may be given.
No.
Earlier, in earlier proceeding, interim was given.
Maybe, but no.
Only obliged, Your Lordship. Thank you.
May I please? This is an application on the 28th of BNSS taking basically lordship quashing of charge sheet and the subsequent proceeding lordship. Here lordship, I am not in the FIR name accused and the offense is involved with lordship 380, subsequently added 411 and 413 IPC lordship. It is not a grave offense lordship. In fact, the allegation
Where's
is
the
that,
charge sheet? Please read the charge sheet.
yes, FIR, I have to ask FIR lordship.
Not required. You can read the charge sheet.
Yes, yes, yes. Lordship started in Assamese, but I have
You can
translated.
read it in Assamese.
Lordship.
You can read it in Assamese.
অভিযোগ সংবিবরণী এই যে
করবো নাকি আমি?
না আপনি করে দিন।
You cannot read Assamese.
26.
It's
No,
okay.
no.
You can
I
read.
can. 26.
Hmm.
অভিযোগপত্র চমু বিবরণী এই যে জোয়া 14/12/2023 ইং তারিখ আবেলি চেয়ারম্যান বজাত গোচরণিয়া ভারতী নন্দিনী ডটার অফ সোয়েন্সো ভিলেজ সোয়েন্সো PS সংকৈশোর থানাত হাজিৰে এখন লিখিত এজাহাৰ দি জনায় যে তাই ফ্লিপকাৰ্ট ছাৰ্ভিচত কাম কৰে আৰু লগতে আন কৰ্মচাৰীও কাম কৰে কিন্তু প্ৰায় 3-4 মাহ মান আগৰ পৰা তাৰ কাৰ্ড ছাৰ্ভিচ চেণ্টাৰৰ আমগুৰি কলনীৰ পৰা মোবাইল ফোন হেৰাই গৈ আছিল পিছত গোচৰিনীয়া থানাত হাজিৰে তাইৰ লগত কাম কৰা মঞ্জিৰুল হাছান প্ৰতাপগিৰি Rokibul Hussain, Lordship, here I am not in the name. সজল দাসের নামত এজাহার মতে তাই মোকদ্দমাটা তদন্ত করে লর্ডশিপ। Here I am not named. তদন্ত কালত গোচরণী খোঁজপোছ কৰি জবানবন্দি লিপিবদ্ধ করা হয় মোকদ্দমার ঘটনাস্থলী পরিদর্শন করে মানচিত্র অঙ্কন করা হয় ঘটনাস্থলীত লগ পোৱা সাক্ষীগণক খোঁজপোছ কৰি জবানবন্দি লিপিবদ্ধ করা হয় মোকদ্দমার পদকীয়া মঞ্জিরুল হোসেন আলী বসুমতারি জুবে আহমেদ আৰু সুরজ দেবনাথক গ্রেপ্তার কৰি পিটিশনার নাম্বার দিস ইজ দ্য 4 সুরজ দেবনাথক গ্রেপ্তার কৰি সিহঁতৰ পৰা 6খন মোবাইল হ্যান্ডসেট আৰু দুইখন ফ্লিপকার্ট ডেলিভারি বক্স জব্দ কৰি পদকীয়াজনক জেললৈ প্ৰেৰণ কৰা হৈছে আনহাতে পদকীয়া ছয়ঞ্চ বিৰুদ্ধে ঘটনাৰ লগত জড়িত থকাৰ সাক্ষী প্ৰমাণৰ অভাৱ হোৱাত তেওঁলোকক থানাৰ পৰা যাব দিয়া হয় মহামান্য আদালতত প্ৰতিবেদন দাখিল কৰি so lordship my humble submittal this charge sheet has been submitted very mechanically lordship.
We'll call for the records.
Yes, record will reveal.
No stay. Learned Counsel Mr. AZ Ahmed is present for the petitioner. Except 15, Mr. B. Sharma is present for the respondent state to stop, and has accepted notice on behalf of the respondent, and thus no further notice is required to be issued. Stop. However, sufficient copies to be furnished during the course of the day. To stop. Issue notice to the respondent number 2, returnable within 4 weeks. All for the scanned copies of the trial court records. List accordingly.
Interim period will be considered after receipt of the.
Okay. Prayer for interim stay will be considered on returnable date.
Okay. Amount.
After receipt of trial court records. After receipt of trial court records.
Item 14.
May it please your lordship. My lord, this is for the quashing of the complaint case, which was, my lord, pending in the court of my lord, JMFC Hailakandi. My lord, my case is that earlier, this my lord informant, opposite party, my lord, filed a case, which was earlier in CR, my lord, subsequently it was sent to the police, my lord, and registered.
Where's the FIR?
Lordship will kind.
You are, all the petitioners are in-laws and husband.
Husband and my lord, her
Father-in-law.
stepsons and daughters.
Husband and stepsons and daughters. Okay.
Lordship, I am, page 49. I want to quash the Seer case, which was filed subsequently and pending in the stage of,
Which case you want to quash that FIR or that?
yes, page 49,
Page 49.
Lordship. Lordship, may kindly see Seer case number so and so. This is named Aisha against all the accused persons. And allegation is Lordship will find, may I read
Yes.
the allegation. The accused number one is husband of the complainant. Other accused person are stepson and daughters. On last 11/8/2024 evening at about 5 p.m., the accused person in presence of witness demanded rupees 5 lakhs and raising the issue as to why the complainant has not been removed the uterus by operation. They assaulted complainant with bamboo stick, causing grievous injury on hand, legs, both the knee, back, side, chest, and other parts of the body. The complainant, being helpless, took shelter in her parent house. After reaching her parent house on the next day, that is 12/8/2024 and 28/1/2025, the accused person threatened that without fulfilling the demand dowry, they are not allowed to come again, and for the same also threatened not to lodge any case, and due to switch off the mobile loudspeaker, that conversation was listened by witnesses. Due to hard assault of the accused person, the complainant felt pain and other complexity, and then immediately on 12/8/2025 approached to witness number 4, and accordingly witness number 4 advised for treatment, X-ray, CT scan. So, my lord, Lordship may kindly see
So
page.
this CR case, what happened to this CR case? It is at which stage, pending at which stage?
This CR case is only on appearance stage, my lord. I have an
Appearance stage.
yes, my lord. And before that, my lord, she filed on the same allegation. Lordship may kindly see page 17 is the FIR, my lord. It was earlier, my lord, CR case, and subsequently registered as FIR, my lord. And it is now on evidence stage, my lord. After GR, it is PRC also, and in evidence stage. The gist of the, my lord, FIR, Lordship will find page 18.
When there will be a same case, I think that one proceeding will be stopped.
Yes.
At least the CR case will be stopped, I think.
Yes,
If
ma'am,
there are two
that is-
cases.
That's my comment.
That is what I believe.
Exactly, my
But
lord.
they have not stopped.
Not stop, my lord.
So I think the case may be different. Let's see. Where is the FIR?
This FIR, Lordship will find, my lord, page 18, my lord. This is the, my lord, brief of the FIR. On similar allegation of, my lord, demand of rupees 5 lakhs and for the removal of the uterus, my lord.
Lordship, there was at this stage,
Same allegation.
yes.
Can stay, I think, this proceeding.
CR case may be stopped.
CR case can be stayed.
This is, I have no grievance, my lord, already in evidence stage.
Learned Counsel, Mr. G. Uddin, no?
Yes, ma'am.
G. Uddin is present for the petitioner, who has brought up a CR case number 204 of 2025 under section, with allegations under section
Well, it is under say 498A, oblique.
498A stroke 2320.
Page 50, my lord.
323 stroke 408 stroke 34 of the APC. So stop. It is submitted that similar allegation of demand of dowry to the tune of rupees 5 lakhs was made, and a female and FIR has already been submitted.
Yes,
No,
FIR,
and Sarsid.
charge and subsequent, my lord, it is,
Sarsid has already been submitted.
and in evidence stage, my lord.
With this, with a similar case being GR case number 1564 of 2022.
Yes,
And this case is at the, case is at the
evidence stage.
stage of evidence. Please stop.
My lord, subsequently PRC also, my lord, PRC number 2690 oblique
1582 legislature, corresponding to PRC case number.
2690 of 2020. Page 45.
GR cases against all the
Yes.
petitioners,
But subsequently, my lord, charge sheet was filed only against petitioner number one.
petitioner husband.
But that subsequent, due to my lord retaliation, that subsequent case has been filed.
It is submitted that as in connection with GR case number 1564/2024. So this is not similar case.
But it's allegation similar, my lord.
Allegation is similar, but that children have assaulted that.
My lord, assault, earlier assault also there, my lord, but same type of allegation, only date is different.
As as charge sheet was not filed in connection with GR case number, it is submitted late in Kiriba. As charge sheet was not filed in connection with GR case number 1564/2024 against the petitioner number 2, 3 and 4, 2, 3 and 4, comma. Subsequently, the CR case number
204/2025.
204/2025 was brought out against the petitioners.
Page 55 and 56, the orders, my lord. Let's see, please. And subsequently also file another two cases, my lord, one maintenance, another, my lord, DB case. And in fact, my lord, this informant is not wife of the petitioner. My lord. Already, my lord, she has a husband, my lord. And it was not allowed maintenance also her.
Similar. Had Miss N. Das Leonard additional PP for the respondent state whose term notices has been accepted by the Leonard additional PP. And thus no further notices are required to be issued. Stop. Extra copies to be furnished. Stop. Issue notice to the respondent number 2 through
Speed post.
to registered post returnable within 4 weeks. Oh.
Speed
oh.
post.
Huh? Oh, it to register post to Harry, speed post.
Speed post, yes.
Speed post, na?
I'll take speed post.
There's a notification, no, that issue notice to speed post likhe diba. It appears that the proceedings of the CR case number 204/2025 may be stayed at least till the next date of listing. Call for the trial court records. Meanwhile, the proceedings of the CR case number 204/2025 is stayed till the next date of listing.
Most of them.
Item 16. অকমান 2 মিনিটৰ কাৰণে এচিটো 2 মিনিটৰ কাৰণে গৰম দিছে।
May I please on. Lord, this is washing for the complaint case, my lord. The petitioner number, my lord, here 1 to 3. Petitioner number 1 is the father-in-law of the complainant, my lord, that is respondent. 2 is the mother-in-law, and 3 is the, my lord, maternal uncle-in-law.
We have the tacit.
No, my lord. Just
started.
Started appearance stage, my lord. We appeared, my lord, but we have thought prayed for, my lord, watching because
CR case.
CR case, my lord. My lord, kindly see the complaint, my lord, first. In particular, my lord, may I read, my lord?
Yes.
Page 20. So Gosoria so and so, Habibul Haq Padokia so and so. Number 1, my lord, here wife, my lord, of the complainant. Date of incident 13/3/2025, my lord. Gosoriar Horol Gohari এই যে জোয়া ইংরেজি 26/12/2019 তারিখে মুসলিম শরীয়ত মতে ও সামাজিক ভাবে গোসরিয়ার লগত 1 নং আসামির বিয়া হয় উক্ত বিয়াৰ পিছত উভয়ে পৰম সুখেৰে স্বামী স্ত্ৰী হিচাপে ঘৰ সংসাৰ কৰা কালছোৱাত ১ নং আছামীৰ গৰ্ভত আৰু বছৰীয়াৰ ঔৰসত এটি কন্যা সন্তানৰ জন্ম হয়, যাৰ নাম হুছেইনিয়া মাহিৰা, বয়স 5 বছৰমান হ'ব। উক্ত বিয়াৰ 4 বছৰমান পিছৰে পৰা 1 নং আছামীয়ে বাকী আছামীগণৰ কুপৰামৰ্শ ও সহযোগত মাজে সময়ে বছৰীয়াক সোধ-পোছ নকৰাকৈ নিজ খেয়াল খুচি মতে বছৰীয়াৰ ঘৰৰ পৰা সোণ ৰূপৰ আ অলংকাৰ, ঘৰুৱা সামগ্ৰী, টকা পইচা আদি লৈ গৈ 2 নং আছামীৰ ঘৰত আশ্ৰয় লয়। প্ৰতিবাৰেই সামাজিক মেল বহি আপোচ মীমাংসা বোলে 1 নং আছামীক বছৰীয়াৰ ঘৰলৈ অনা হয়। ঘটনাৰ দিনা অৰ্থাৎ যোৱা ইংৰাজী 13/3/25 তাৰিখে ৰাতিপুৱা অনুমান 9 মান বজাত বছৰীয়াৰ ঘৰত কোনো মানুহ নথকাৰ সুযোগ লৈ 2, 3 আৰু 4 নং আছামীয়ে বছৰীয়াৰ ঘৰত উপস্থিত হৈ 1 নং আছামীক ফুচুলাই বছৰীয়াৰ ঘৰৰ চকেছত থকা ডিঙিৰ সোণৰ চেইন এডাল, সোণৰ আঙঠি এটা আৰু নগদ 95,000 টকা আদি 1 নং আছামীয়ে বাকী আছামীগণৰ সহযোগত চুৰ কৰি লৈ যায়। লগতে 1 নং আছামীয়ে কন্যা সন্তানটি সহ গৈ 2 নং আছামীৰ ঘৰত আশ্ৰয় দিয়ে। পিছত বছৰীয়াই ঘৰত আহি 1 নং আছামীক দেখা নাপায় তাইক বিচাৰি 2 নং আছামীৰ ঘৰত উপস্থিত হয় আৰু তাতে বাদ-বাকী আছামীগণক লগ পাই 1 নং আছামীক উভতি আহিবলৈ অনুৰোধ কৰাত আছামীগণে ঐক্যবদ্ধ হৈ বছৰীয়াক নানা ধৰণৰ অশ্লীল ভাষাৰে গালি-গালাজ পাৰি অপমান, অপদস্থ ও ঠেলা হেঁচা, কিল, ভুকু আদি মাৰি খেদি দিয়ে আৰু প্ৰকাশ্যে ভাবুকি দিয়ে যে দ্বিতীয়বাৰ 1 নং আছামীক বিচাৰি 2 নং আছামীৰ ঘৰত উপস্থিত হলে বছৰীয়াক মাৰি কাটি প্ৰাণ নাশ কৰিব। উক্ত ঘটনা সংক্ৰান্তে এজাহাৰ দিয়াৰ উদ্দেশ্যে সংশ্লিষ্ট থানালৈ গৈছিল যদিও থানাৰ পুলিচে আপোচ মীমাংসাৰ পৰামৰ্শ দি ঘূৰাই পঠিয়ায়। কিন্তু আছামীগণে আজিলৈকে মীমাংসাত অহা নাই। সাক্ষীসকলে ঘটনা জানেও প্ৰমাণ কৰিব। গতিকে প্ৰাৰ্থনা হুজুৰ আদালতে কৃপা কৰি অত্ৰ আৰ্জি পঞ্জীয়নভুক্ত কৰি মাননীয় আদালতে আৰ্জি গ্ৰহণ কৰি
Yes,
So,
yes.
this is the my lord.
State is not arrayed.
Petitioner is my lord here the retired principal, my lord, having prestige dignity in this society, and he has got my lord a certificate, so many certificates of excellence also, now social worker.
Who is the petitioner? Accused number?
Accused number, my lord, 2. Accused number 2 here, petition number 1. But we have, my lord, here not made party included accused number 1. That is the wife, my lord. Let her face, she understands, she's a graduate lady, my lord. She understands everything. What is the interference required from our side in their family? My lord, since after the marriage, my lord, she is being, my lord,
Who is
assaulted.
How are they related to the accused number 1?
Accused
Accused
number,
number 2, petitioner Abdul Mojid, Lilima Khatun and Abdul Motin. How are they related to the accused?
my lord, what happened on 13th of March, my lord,
Hmm.
she was, my lord, driven out from the house. She was brutally, my lord, assaulted, my lord. Then we approached the police station also. Police, my lord, Jaleshwar out.
How are they related to the accused? Neighbors or?
No, my
relative?
lord, father and mother.
Parents. Okay.
Parents, my lord.
Okay, we'll stay. We'll stay.
Father, mother, my lord.
Learned counsel, Mr.
A.F. Anu Mullah.
AFNU
Mullah.
Mullah is present for the petitioners, father, mother and brother, Abdul Motin.
Yes, my lord. Abdul Motin is the maternal uncle of
Uncle.
accused number 1.
Petitioners number 1, 2, 3 নাম কিটা লিখি দিব পাৰা. Who have filed this application under section 528 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for quashing the CR case number 103/2025 pending in the court of the whose court? MM?
MM code here, my lord, in the order it is reflected as, my lord, civil judge junior division 1 in the order. This, my lord, 24. Next date
Pending in
is
the court to কাটি দিয়ে. Full stop দিয়ে দিয়ে. It is submitted on behalf of the petitioner that a false case has been brought up against the accused number 1 and the present petitioners by the informant, full stop. The informant assaulted his wife named as accused number 1 in the Ejahan Hode FIR complaint. Assaulted his wife and drove her out of his house when and when his wife took shelter in her parental home, a false case has been brought up against the in-laws along with his, and false case has been brought up by roping in Liquidia. False case has been brought up by roping in, ROPING, roping in the accused number wives, apostrophe S, wives, in-laws, full stop. It is further submitted that the petitioner number 1 is a retired principal.
Retired
And
principal.
he is 68 years old, whereas his wife is 60 years old, and his brother Abdul Motin
Abdul Motin is
is
the,
a middle-aged person of 40 years of age, middle-aged person of 40 years of age, full stop. It is submitted that the
paragraph 5, my lord, of my petition may kindly be seen, my lord. Paragraph 5.
an FIR has been lodged against the informant and to screen himself from punishment, a false case has been foisted against the petitioners by the informant. The FIR after the lodgement of an FIR, a general diary entry number 196 dated 14/3/25 was registered. Where is the general diary entry?
My lord, I have not annexed here. This way, in record it will come, my lord. While for record it will come.
I have considered the age of the petitioners. I've also considered the submission that the general diary entry number 195 dated 14/3/2025, followed by GD entry number 196 and 197 dated 14/3/2025 have been registered against the informant. Full stop. It appears that bad blood is prevalent between the parties. The further proceedings of the present case may be stayed at least till the next date of listing, or for the scanned copies of the CR case number 103 of 2025. Meanwhile, further proceedings of this case is stayed till the next date of CR case liquidated. CR case number 103 of 2025 is stayed till the next date of listing. List after 4 weeks.
But it should be a complainant, my lord. Complainant, informant has been there.
Complainant what?
Informant, my lord, has been.
Oh, complainant or informant.
Complainant.
So what the informant is the complainant liquidated.
Develop last.
Item 70.
আৰু য'ত FIR এইটো কমপ্লেইন কেছ ন, FIR জেগাত কমপ্লেইন লিখি দিছে। FIR বুলি কৈছো নেকি? FIR নহয়, সেইটো এটা FIR লিখিছে, এটা FIR আছে 192 থাকিব ডেম'ক্ৰেটিক।
The petitioner prepared this application for passing of the FIR. The petitioner is the president of the Dimasa Writers Forum and the secretary of the Hirimba Justice Forum. The FIR is page number 12 of it.
Please read.
And may I read also?
Yes.
So to the officer in charge, informant Abhijit Pal, ex-president, Silchar District Congress Committee, as well as secretary of Assam Pradesh Congress Committee. Sir, with due respect, I beg to state that I accuse number 1, it is the petitioner lordship, by communication dated 21/10/2025 to the President of Assam Sahitya Sabha, namely Dr. Bhakanta Kumar Goswami, stating that the language martyrs are Bangladeshi outsiders and such statements insulted the martyrs. In the said communication, it was further mentioned that such Bangladeshi outsiders tactfully changed the name of Silchar railway station to Bhaka Shahid Station. Such insulted statements are trying to create communal disharmony in the race, class, religion among the people of the Barak Valley. The accused is trying to create a riot among the linguistic Bengali-speaking people and other linguistic and religious people in the state. The accused is committing for offense of insult and provocation as well as the anti-racist statements, and as such I pray to take action against him. The fact of the case is on 21
Wait, Sasi has been submitted.
No, Lordship, it is an investigation is going. The kindly come to the
Call for a CD.
Well, yes, Lordship, in the call for the instant copy, in the meantime, the petitioner may not be taken.
Sasi is not submitted.
Yes,
no?
Lordship. No,
Submitted.
No, Lordship.
Then we'll call for
CD,
CD.
Yes, Lordship.
CD.
May I pray for the not to take any corrective action against the petitioner, Lordship.
No. We'll call for the CD and when with their CD will forward it,
Yes,
we cannot
Doctor.
take any action.
Yes.
Learned Counsel, Mr.
P. Doctor.
P.
Doctor.
Doctor is present for the petitioner. Learned Additional PP Miss N. Das is present for the respondent, number 1, and has accepted notice on behalf of respondent number 1, full stop. Issue notice to the respondent number 2, returnable within 4 weeks. Meanwhile, call for, no, 4 weeks, no, data delivery, CD logo, no, CD pothabo. Karbi Anglong, time lagibo.
No, Lordship, Silchar. Silchar.
Silchar, our time lagibo.
7.
Sure.
Call for the CD, list the matter on 7 January. 7 January, বেশি দেরি হৈ গল নেকি? বন্ধ খোলা লগে লগে দি দিলে ভাল হ'ব। 5-6 5th January.
All right.
Item 18. Please, your lordships. I have come against the interim order dated 16/11/2023 passed by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Dibrugarh Lordship. Here Lordship respondent and the petitioner had no husband and wife relationship nor living together at any point of time. She had one husband living. The divorce has not also provided by her Lordship. Falsely alleging him due to some
Interim maintenance.
maintenance Lordship.
Interim, maybe we should notice how much,
Lordship maintenance granted 3,500, but Lordship distress warrant is issued by the Judicial Magistrate First Class Lordship. That is why Lordship kindly stay the order till returnable date Lordship. Distress warrant is page Lordship page 83 and extra 10 Lordship.
petitioner is not wife.
Respondent is not wife.
Respondent is not.
Not
petitioner's
wife. Sometimes they went to Kerala for work Lordship. The lady respondent used to bring boys from various places from Assam Lordship. He also went there with her Lordship. So, thereafter, while she is pregnant, he do not know Lordship. After baby birth Lordship.
The case against me is Lordship at page number 19.
You want this to be stayed?
Yes.
We'll stay, but you will have to pay the money.
No, so far as amount is concerned, Lordship, stay is already operating, Lordship, page number 85. 143A petition was moved. 15% was directed to be deposited. We approached this court. That court has stayed. Lordship may kindly come to page number 85A. Page number 85A, paragraph number 8. And last part is Lordship 85B 10. Hearing the submission by the learned counsel so and so and considering all the aspects, the execution of order dated 13/5/2025, 85B, 13/5/2025 in respect of paying compensation is stayed suspended till the disposal of the present petition. And Lordship.
You are Venkatesan.
Yes, Lordship.
The case against you is
4711/2022. Page number 19. Our limited prayer is that, Lordship.
No, but this is not 4711.
Yes, Lordship.
85A, 85D.
Yes, my lord.
This is some, this is petition.
But Lordship, 4711, they filed petition under section 143A.
143A.
143A. That is the petition number, my.
But the case number is not mentioned here. Where is case number 471? Case number is not mentioned.
My lord, may kindly come to page number 54.
No, but you are showing 85. Why should I go to case number 54?
Page number
There has
54.
to be some series.
Yes, Lordship. Kindly come to page number 54.
You are, your case against you is complaint. Where is the complaint against you page? Complaint against you page?
Page number 19. My lord, may first kindly come to page number 19. That is the complaint case 4711 of 2022. In this case, Lordship, they filed a petition at page number 54.
Page 54.
Page 54. The order of page 54 is at page 82.
Page 85.
Page 82. Order of the learned court below.
Page 54 is a complaint.
Page 54 is the petition under section 143A.
And this order
And
is at page?
that order is at page number 82 of the learned court below. Order dated 13/5/2025. Their lordship case number is mentioned 4711 of 2022.
Page 82, okay.
82.
Yes.
My
So,
lord,
this, you were.
this has been listed in page number 85. 85A and 85B.
You were not in the, through this order, you were not allowed to, your order was not stayed.
That order has been stayed.
No, 13/5/2025,
13/5/2025 has been
page
stayed.
82.
Page 82, that has been stayed.
The case
That
against
has been
you.
stayed, page number 85A and 85B.
This order has been stayed,
Stayed.
but your prayer under section 143 in case number,
That was the prayer
Not allowed.
against, that was the prayer against me, lordship.
yes, against you.
143A was against me.
Yes.
That was allowed by the learned court below. We preferred a revision petition that has been stayed. Now, my lord.
No, you please don't mix
Yes.
two cases. I'm getting mixed up.
Yes, lordship may kindly allow me to make my submission for 30 seconds. My lord,
No, don't say this case and that case. You say what case
I'm
against
going
you.
one by one.
Hmm.
First, lordship 4711,
Hmm.
that case has been lost against me.
Hmm.
During the pendency of that case, they have preferred one petition under section 143A, seeking 20% compensation. Their petition was allowed by the order dated 13/5/2025,
Okay.
page number 82,
Hmm.
and directed me to deposit 15% of amount. Against that, I preferred a revision petition before this honorable court.
Hmm.
This honorable court was pleased to stay that order. This is one part. Now,
No, don't go to the next part, please.
yes, lordship.
I am only interested in the case against you. You read the order, page 82. Please read the order. See, you are as a accused, you are seeking relief.
Yes, ma'am.
So you don't bring the case by which you are aggrieved.
Yes, sir.
Then only I understand, otherwise I won't understand.
Yes, lordship.
Please read the order, page 82.
82, lordship, entire order or relevant portion? My lord, may kindly come to 84.
Relevant
The
portion.
relevant portion.
Yeah.
84. Last part.
Hmm.
The present case is at the stage where offense explanation has been done. This
Last
court,
page 84.
84
Okay,
last
yes.
part. This court is satisfied that a prima facie case has been made out by the complainant.
Okay.
Relying on the decision of the Honorable Supreme Court in the case of Rakesh Ranjan Srivastava versus so and so, this court directs the accused person to pay 15% of the said amount to the complainant within 60 days.
So against this order, you have preferred a revision.
That revision,
Which one? Page number?
page number 85.
Okay.
My lord, may kindly come to paragraph number 8.
Hmm.
85A.
Yes, sir.
It is submitted by Mr. Ahmed that during the pendency of the case, the respondent as complainant filed a petition seeking 20% of the said amount as interim relief under section 143A of NIL. The petitioner also filed a written objection, but without making any observation on the objection filed by the petitioner and without assigning any reason, the learned court below has passed the order directing the petitioner to pay 15% of the said amount as compensation under section 143A to the respondent by order dated 13/5/2025. Mr. Ahmed further submitted that the petition which was filed seeking the compensation also does not disclose any reason as to why the respondent needs 20% of the said amount as interim measure under section 143 of NIL. Accordingly, it is submitted by Mr. Ahmed that execution of interim order dated so and so may be stayed till disposal of the present petition. Mr. Ahmed also relied on the decision of the court passed in criminal revision petition so and so. Hearing the submission made by the learned counsel for the petitioner and also considering all the aspects, the execution of order dated 13/5/2025 in respect of paying compensation is stayed suspended till disposal of the petition. However, the case may be proceeded accordingly.
Yes, this has been stayed.
This has been stayed.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, my ground before the trial court is that they have.
But you see, the case number is not mentioned. That is the main problem. You are agreed by the order dated in page 82, 84.
No, that has been stayed, my lord.
Where the case, I know, but the case number is not mentioned. Which case has been stayed? No, nowhere it is mentioned, that case number. That is the problem.
Yes, my lord, it's true.
Had the case number been mentioned, then there wouldn't have been so much of confusion.
Yes, my lord, that is true. Case number has not been mentioned
Yes.
anywhere.
That is what I was asking in the beginning.
Yes, lordship. It is not stated anywhere. Only order dated is there.
Yeah,
13/5 is
it
there.
won't work like that.
But that part is there, lordship. I'm not anymore agreed by
We
that.
will need the records, you see. We'll need the records and then we will pass an order.
May I make my submission? lordship?
Yes, yes.
So far as this part is concerned, 13/5/2025, we have produced the order before the trial court and that has been stayed. No issue. Now, lordship, what I am submitting is that, lordship, we have filed a petition saying that they have forced our signature. The Honorable Apex Court has time and again said that forgery is a defense. But when it can be taken? It can be taken during the course of trial. My only submission is that let the signature be verified first. Let the signature be verified first. If the signature is of mine, then I don't have any case. And then
No,
proceed.
We will issue notice and we will hear on that and we will decide, but I cannot stay on this record where there is no
Case number.
case number. We'll call for the scan copy. As soon as I get the scan copies,
Lordship, alternatively, may I pray for, Lordship, may kindly fix this case on
a very
Friday?
short date,
Yes. Let it be at motion stage only, Lordship.
Hmm.
I will look into this order, Lordship, where the stay is already operating. Lordship, may kindly fix this matter once again for motion on Friday.
But without the copies again on that day, I won't be able to stay, no?
In the meantime, Lordship, if I may get some opportunity to correct this order, Lordship.
Okay. But if
Friday.
Monday, and how you get opportunity to correct this order on Friday? I don't think so.
Lordship, let it be on Friday, Lordship. Otherwise, Lordship.
Where is the harm if I call for the scan copies?
Yes, yes, scan, Lordship. Oh, Lordship, may kindly.
First time,
Yes.
Friday only. Where from which station?
It's from Kamrup Metro only.
It will come on Friday. If it won't come, then we'll fix it on Monday.
Yes, Lordship.
And meanwhile, you can take other measures also.
Yes, yes,
Just
Lord.
a-
Lordship may call for the scan copies. I have not noticed that, Lordship, the case number is not
Like,
here, Lordship.
think, because if it is already there,
Yes.
then there's nothing,
But-
then I can just pass an order only.
Yes, yes. Otherwise, it stays operating, Lordship. I have not noticed that.
Then we'll issue notice, let him come and we'll, maybe we can pass an ex parte order or any order we can pass.
Yes.
If you get the record, we can pass an ex parte
Yes.
order also.
And our prayer
Or
is
we
also.
can hear the other side, stay or nothing is required now, already matter is stayed.
That part is state, Lordship,
Mm.
payment part is state, but other part is going on. Our prayer is that, Lordship, even Lordship,
Okay,
if they
then we
come.
can pass an order and stay after we get the scan.
Yes,
copies of
yes,
the
Lordship.
record. Yeah. Third learner counsel, Mr. M. Ahmed for the petitioner, Sri Venkatesan A. Full stop. Issue notice to the respondent number 2. Speed post, no? You want to?
Yes, sir.
To
Let it be
speed,
speed post.
to speed post, returnable on Friday the date. Meanwhile, call for the scan copies of the CR case number. Scan copies of the record of CR case number 4771 of 2022. Gustav Learned additional PP, Mr. MP Husam is present for the respondent state, respondent number 1 and has accepted notice. Gustav extra copies to be furnished. List on Friday. I'll also bring it on record. The prayer for stay of the proceeding will be considered on receipt of on returnable date. If you give an affidavit also, we can consider, but on returnable.
On returnable date.
We'll take the LCR.
Yes, Lordship. Hello.
Item 20.
Lordship, here a private complaint has been filed against the petitioner.
Mm.
We have challenged the order seeking cognizance. The Lordship may kindly see page number 33 for a moment. A complaint has been filed alleging that certain defamatory statements were made by the petitioner against the respondent. Page number 33, Lordship. Notice was issued in terms, has your Lordship got? Page 33. The type copy your Lordship will find at page 32.
Yes.
Order dated 5/11/2024. CR received on transfer for disposal, complaining to issue notice upon the accused in order to provide an opportunity being heard as per proviso to section 223(1) of BNSS, complaining to take steps within 7 days. This order is wrong in view of section 223 because a magistrate cannot issue that notice directly without examining the complainant and the witnesses. If
Section
any.
223, let's see.
Lordship may kindly see 223. Because 223 specifically provides that no, while taking cognizance, a magistrate having jurisdiction while taking cognizance of an offence
Just a moment.
on complaint
Just
shall
a moment.
examine upon oath the
223?
Lordship.
223, no?
223.
Just a moment. 223.
May I read, Lordship?
Just a moment. Just please read from the beginning.
223 examination of complainant. A magistrate having jurisdiction while taking cognizance of an offence on complaint shall examine upon oath the complainant and the witnesses present, if any, and the substance of such examination shall be reduced to writing and shall be signed by the complainant and the witnesses and also by the magistrate, provided that no cognizance of an offence shall be taken by the magistrate without giving the accused an opportunity of being heard. So this opportunity of being heard can only be provided to the accused, the proposed accused, when the magistrate examine the complainant and the witnesses, if there are any.
And then take cognizance.
Then
After
take
hearing,
cognizance.
it
Yes.
has to be taken. But here, before hearing, it was taken. Here,
Here, at first, without the magistrate did not examine the complainant and the witnesses on oath. Without examining them on oath,
Okay.
the magistrate had issued notice to the accused, and thereafter your Lordship may kindly see page number 34. The order dated
Just a
16/12.
Just a moment.
the examination of the complainant.
Just a moment, just a
Lordship.
moment. Yes.
Lordship, here 223 specifically mandates that the examination of complainant is mandatory, whereas the witness's examination is not mandatory, because if your Lordship peruses 223 properly, then your Lordship will find
Yes.
that if any is there,
Mm.
because if there is no witness, then their examination is not necessary, but the complainant's examination is mandatory. Your Lordship will find page 34, order dated 16/12/2024. Complainant is present. Complainant has submitted track consignment report along with the postal receipt, which revealed that notice is not served properly. Hence, issue fresh notice. Complainant to take fresh steps fixing 3/1/2025 for appearance. Then your Lordship will find page number 36, which is continuation of the order dated 16/12/2024. Later on, has your Lordship got? Later on, report has been received stating that the addressee has refused to receive the notice stating that he is out of station. It appears that the opposite party has notice of the instant case and yet he has not caused his appearance in this court. From the conduct of the opposite party, prima facie appears that he has no objection to the taking of the cognizance in this case. Hence, this court proceed to take cognizance as per the judgment of the Honorable Guwahati High Court in Rani Nora versus State of Assam reported in 2008. This court shall proceed to depose the complainant and all his witnesses in this case. And thereafter, the complainant witnesses are examined. So, Lordship, the entire orders passed by the learned magistrates all are wrong in view of section 223. Firstly, the complainant was not examined. Secondly, the accused was out of station. He could not.
Where is the complaint? Let's see the complaint.
Complaint, your Lordship will find at page 15. Start from page 15. The relevant portion, your Lordship will find at page 18.
Please read.
That the complainant begs to state that thereafter, in the evening at around 6:30 to 1900 hours on the same day, that is 31/7/2024, para 9, Lordship. When I was coming out from my office along with my office staff, after my duty hours, the opposite party along with 3 other persons suddenly stopped me outside my office premises and started to quarrel with me using defamatory statements that I used to do all these transfer works with my channels and receive monetary reward or bribe for such acts, and said I am a corrupted person in front of my office staff, hurting and harming my image and reputation, and lowers down my moral character, and fought with me very badly using slang, filthy and unparliamentary language in the name of my father and mother, threatened me with dire consequences to my limbs and life, and to kill me outside my office premises, and went away assaulting, hurting and harming my reputation and image in front of my office staff without any fault. So this is the only material paragraph in the complaint. Now the basis of the complaint, your Lordship will find at page 23 is a legal notice, wherein the complainant has sent a legal notice through his counsel asking for damages. Page 24, your Lordship will find the relevant.
Yes.
Para 1, has your lordship got?
Yes, yes.
That you are causing great torture as well as threatening with dire consequences over phone and directly to my client to the effect if he failed to obey your legal demands of doing an illegal act. That you are applying criminal force to use my client to do an act which he is not legally bound to do. That you repeatedly disturbed my client to do an act which is out of my client's capacity and authority as well as illegal too. So there is not even a single whisper of any specific allegation against the petitioner in the legal notice. And in terms of that legal notice, in fact, my client has served a reply to the complaint, denying all the allegations. My client is the petitioner before the lordship is the chief office superintendent of the Indian
Where is
Railways.
the ground in the petition?
Lordship,
Ground in the petition? Who is the chief?
petitioner is the chief office superintendent, and the complainant is the stenographer of the railway. So why would someone, a person who is sitting in a higher position, a chief office superintendent, will ask the stenographer to get a transfer of someone of his relative? Grounds your lordship will find from page 7 to 9.
Please read.
For that, even if the facts disclosed in the complaint dated so and so filed by the opposite party taken into consideration at their face value, no offense against the present petitioner is made out under section 351 subsection 3, 356 subsection 2 of the BNS 2023, and as such the impugned complaint dated so and so is liable to be set aside and quashed. B, for that even if the allegations, statements, averments made in the impugned complaints dated so and so is taken into consideration at its face value, no case is made out against the petitioner. C, that the learned JMFC Guwahati has erred in facts as well as in law and had erroneously passed the impugned order dated 16/12/2024, whereby cognizance was taken. The observation passed by the learned JMFC Kamrup Metro is contrary to the proviso to section 223(1) of BNSS. D, your lordship will find impugned order dated so and so passed by the learned JMFC is bad in facts inasmuch as there is no specific allegation made in the complaint against the petitioner in.
Okay. Third learned counsel, Mr. R. Bora, for the petitioner. Who has filed his application under section 528 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for setting aside the proceeding. Entire proceeding.
Lordship, because the
Prayer for setting aside and quashing the proceeding of CR case number 708 C 2024. Full stop. It is submitted that the petitioner is the what is he?
chief office superintendent,
Chief Office Superintendent.
that your lordship will find that
Petitioner Pradeep Baroi. Okay. Baroi is the Chief
page
Office
3, Lordship,
Superintendent.
para number 2.
Whereas the opposite party, Sri Biswarup Chatterjee, is the stenographer. Stenographer, working in the same office.
Same office.
Chief Office Superintendent of which office?
Chief Office Superintendent, construction organization, Department of Engineering, Office of the General Manager, North Frontier Railway.
File eligible.
Para number 2, lordship, of my petition.
Pair number 2. Whereas the opposite party is serving as stenographer in the same office. It is submitted that the entire proceeding is liable to be set aside and quashed as the provisions of section 223 of the BNWS 2023 has not been complied with. By the order dated 5/11/2024, the complainant who was present was not examined as mandated by the as per provisions, full stop. Thereafter, notices were issued to the accused for hearing according to the proviso of section 223 of the BNWS 2023. Without hearing the accused, i.e. the petitioner, and without according an opportunity to be heard, cognizance was taken against the accused, i.e. the petitioner, under section 351 within bracket 3 stroke 356 within bracket 2 of the BNS, full stop. Apart from the apart from the error, from the erroneous procedure adopted, apart from the erroneous procedure adopted, cognizance was taken without any offense being made out under section 351 within bracket 3 stroke 356 within bracket 2 of the BNS, as the allegation against the petitioner was that he had threatened the complainant with dire consequences, which is not plausible, as the petitioner would not approach as the complainant would not approach the petitioner for transfer orders,
For transfer of one of the relative of the petitioner.
would not approach the petitioner, as the complainant would not approach the petitioner for transfer of one of his relatives, being a junior in cadre.
Gotcha.
It appears that there is a prima facie case to stay the proceedings, full stop. Issue notice to the respondent, returnable within 4 weeks. Call for the scanned copies of the trial court record. Full stop. Meanwhile, the proceedings of CR case number 708C of 2024 is stayed till the next date of listing.
Item 21.
Obliged, Lordship. Lordship has not recorded the name of the court. While staying the proceeding, has not recorded the name of the court. Your Lordship has observed that.
Photo will be done.
Lordship.
Okay,
Obliged, Lordship.
it will be recorded.
Yeah, please, Your Lordship. My lord, this case is relating to quashing of the FIR, Your Lordship, and chargeship. Your Lordship will find FIR that
Only review for AC though.
page 22, Your Lordship. Page 20.
Please read.
Well, most respectfully, I the informant begs to state that my wife come a teacher of Lohairam MB School, Maya Upadhyay, had committed suicide by hanging in the residence in the early hour of today at around 4 a.m. by looking at a suicide note written by the deceased person. We have come to know that due to the unbearable infliction of continuous mental harassment by Milan Das, the block elementary education officer, barely she was bound to take his extreme step. Moreover, we have come to know that some of the teachers of this area have also been facing harassment by education officer Milan Das. When my wife made me,
Yes.
my,
Yes.
my lord.
We'll hear a PP.
Here, kindly see the vernacular part, page 70.
Hmm.
Because
This
there
is,
there is direct allegation against in case of suicide, no?
17, vernacular part is page 17.
21.
21.
7.
Not page 17.
21.
Huh?
21.
Page 70.
Page 23 is the FIR, no?
Page,
My lord.
You want me to see, look at page 70?
page 70. Why it is in our
Page
Page
70.
20 is the
70.
70 in vernacular.
Okay.
26.
Carnival.
And 26 also.
My lord.
Page 70 and 26, yes.
My lord.
Yes, ma'am.
Page 70, yes, please read.
Yes,
Lord.
বিদ্যালয়ৰ প্ৰধান শিক্ষকে আজি পুৱতি নিশা বজাৰৰ ভিতৰত চিপি লৈ
This is
আত্মহত্যা
the
কৰে।
translate version.
মৃতকে লিখি থৈ যোৱা সুইচাইড নোট প্ৰত্যক্ষ কৰি আমি জানিব পাৰিছো যে প্ৰাথমিক শিক্ষা
Headmaster,
headmaster মানে
committee suicide.
yes
Head
yes
teacher, head-
as
head
per
teacher.
he had written two suicide note implicating the BEO, this person and another person because of the harassment she has ended her life. That is, but that is FIR is it is not to be my lord stayed at this stage.
Case is pending at which stage?
In the FIR, my lord, investigation.
In the search it has been given, your lord.
Charge has been submitted.
My lord.
We'll call scan copies.
My
Stay cannot be
My-
granted in this case.
my. Till then, your lordship, further proceeding may be.
No, cannot be granted.
Chassis is not next.
Sachet has been submitted.
My lord.
Okay.
Appearance, it is pending at the appearance stage.
My lord.
So life of a person is involved.
Lost. अपना very ध्यान है and explain as a question. Page number. 66.
Had Mr.
I am sorry.
R.M. Chaudhary, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has filed his application under section 528 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for quashing the first information report and the charge sheet, arising out of Bihali PS case number 67/2025 under section 108/351 within bracket 2 bracket close stroke 3 within bracket 5 bracket close of the BNS 2023. Heard Mr. MP Goswami learned additional PP for the respondent state. Full stop. The learned additional PP has accepted notice on behalf of the respondent state. Full stop. Extra copies to be furnished. Meanwhile, issue notice to the respondent number 2 returnable within 4 weeks. Call for the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the CD. List accordingly. You want to take steps to speed post?
My lord.
Through speed post will be the Item 22.
Pass over.
May please. Your Lordship, this matter, in this matter, what has happened is, the complainant, he filed an FIR. His basic allegation is that I had taken certain sum of money in order to provide a ticket in the panchayat elections for his wife. I am the state general secretary for the
Who's the FIR?
ACC. Your Lordship, page
Read the FIR, then I'll understand better.
page 40, Your Lordship.
Page 40, yes. Read it.
May I read? The above accused person is the State General Secretary of the Indian National Congress Party, and I was also the District Secretary of that political party. The accused person is our native, and I am also a worker of the same party, and as such, I had a lot of respect and deep trust in him. In the last panchayat, my family member, Amina Begum, who is his wife, was the former Mujgram Suttarkandi District Council member. And in the recently concluded panchayat elections, the member of my family filed nomination papers for the current Lakshmi Bazar District Council from Indian National Congress Party. A voting meeting of the Congress Party was held at the local Nakshatra Hotel on 9/4/2025 for the party nomination. There, the accused Aminul Rashid Chaudhary was in charge of conducting the polls, and instead of announcing the results of the polls that day, he lured me by telling me that he was in charge of getting the nominations, and to get the party nomination, I had to deposit rupees 9 lakhs to the party Raj committee and the district funds, and out of that 5,50,000 taka was to be given to him. If for any reason he is unable to give party nomination, he will return my money immediately after the nomination is announced. Then I sincerely believed him and gave in to his temptation and quickly borrowed money and handed over rupees 4 lakhs in cash to him in front of 2 witnesses and assured him that I would give the remaining 1.5 taka immediately after getting party nomination.
What are involved in And I stayed, but I involved in
Both,
corruption.
both, both have the same,
Immediately,
Your Lordship-
complaint is also involved in corruption and.
yes, same misconduct, same.
Your Lordship, let me just place one fact, Your Lordship. What has happened is, if Your Lordship takes up page number, Your Lordship, 7. So what has happened is, initially he was expelled. The expulsion order is at annexation number 1.
This case is pending at which stage?
Appearance, charge sheet has been filed recently, last week, appearance stage. Your Lordship. Just one aspect I'd like to point out. He was expelled. He gave some interview on in the month of April. He stated the same allegations before the media, and I filed a criminal defamation case against him, along with a civil suit seeking injunction and against the interview. That was granted. And after that, a month later, he comes and files this FIR. It's clearly there. The interview was in the month of April. 1 month later, this is basically, Your Lordship, against my civil suit. He has chosen to file an FIR and make it into a criminal investigation. That, Your Lordship is aware, Supreme Court has taken it into consideration a number of cases that criminal, you cannot turn a civil proceeding into a criminal proceeding. And Your Lordship, I just read the FIR. He says in front of 2 witnesses, but somehow he does not mention the name of the witnesses in the FIR. Your Lordship, if Your Lordship picks up the FIR again, he says towards the end, I gave it in front of 2 witnesses, but why does he refrain from naming those witnesses? He could have easily named them. And Your Lordship, I would not annex a copy of the charge sheet, but in the charge sheet, Your Lordship, it is clearly there that the police only on one aspect, that there are communications, telephonic communications between, by collecting the phone records, there are telephonic communications between the complainant and the petitioner. On that ground alone, they have filed a charge sheet saying that this is a case for criminal breach of trust and criminal intimidation and so and so. But that is absolutely not the case. Your Lordship may see, it is I have mentioned that civil suit cases also. The numbers are given, the injunction order, it's not there, but we have been given an injunction order in our favor.
I think you have a case, but you see that complainant himself, his conduct is not good. He has a case, but let's call for the records. I'll give you a
Your
short
Lordship
date.
may stay because see, Your Lordship, it's clear. I have filed some civil proceeding against him. He's making false allegations against me. I took the legal recourse to file civil suit. And
I'm here for this week. I'm here for the next 2 weeks also. If it comes before me, then I'll grant stay. I have a case. We'll call for the record.
Your Lordship, it so happens
And let him produce the what order he has in the civil court.
Yes, civil court.
Yes, civil court. Your Lordship,
Have you
Your
annexed
Lordship
the
will
order
take my
yet?
word for it. Injunction was granted in our favor.
No.
I'll produce.
Along with this record. Have you annexed the order?
The numbers are, Your Lordship, the numbers are there. I have not annexed the civil proceedings because it's not
No,
very.
it's not required.
Yes.
Only the orders will be sufficient. You can annex those orders also. Meanwhile, while we call for the records.
Okay. Obliged. I pray for a date within 2 to 3 weeks, Your Lordship.
Yes. Heard Mr. M. Burwa, A. Burwa.
C. Gogoi, Your Lordship.
Heard Mr. C. Gogoi, learned counsel for the petitioner, Aminu Rashid Chaudhry. Post of the petitioner has also submitted that he'll produce the orders of the civil suit pending against the informant, no? Or complaint.
He filed an FIR.
FIR, pending against the informant. Full stop. Heard Mr. MP Goswami, learned additional PP Assam. Full stop. Call for the scanned copies of the trial court records of PRC case number 1841/2025, GR case number 758/2025, arising out of Koringon's PS case number 248 of 2025. Scan copies no? Scan copies of the records along with the scan copies of the CD. List the matter Koringon, it will not take much time because it will come through email.
Yes.
12 December.
Much obliged.
I think I have one.
Wait, please.
Yes.
The affidavit has come. It starts from page number 144.
Page number 144.
144.
Okay.
But after my lord, the impugn order, the matter has been fixed for SD my lord.
Okay, statement defense.
If I my lord, my statement has been recorded, my lord. My lord, purpose of approaching this honorable court will be frustrated. So for examination of cross-examination PW1 is concerned. He is the my lord, law the complaint under negotiable instrument act, my lord. Or under negotiable instrument act, this complaint petition has been filed. Not only he, my lord, basically what happened in Bilasipara and Dhubri, my lord, all as many as 26 numbers of cases have been filed against me, my lord.
You are the accused.
I'm right. In all the 26 numbers of cases. What happened only in 2 cases, my lord. In all other cases are running smoothly, my lord. Almost all the cases are at the stage of my lord disposal, my lord. Only in 2 cases. One is listed today, my lord. Another case is listed by tomorrow, my lord. In 2 cases, my lord, cross-examination of PW1 has been expunged, my lord. My submission before the lawsuit is such that the petitioner is all along present before the learned trial court below in other cases, my lord. And in 2 cases, my lord, he has been acquitted, my lord, after going through my lord, cross-examination of PW1. Hello, what happened, my lord? Only because of the fault. Basically, my lord, issue lordship permits, my lord. In all the 26 number of cases, my brother is also appearing, my lord. I am also appearing, my lord. Due to my lord, severe ailment of my sister-in-law, my lord, subsequently she died, my lord. I could not appear on that particular day, my lord. And on that day, my lord, the cross-examination of PW1 has been expunged, my lord. Otherwise, my lord, cross-examination in other cases, my lord,
We have the PP here. No.
my lord, government is there, my lord.
We can allow him to cross-examine, to be cross-examined.
Yes.
We'll dispose it of.
No.
If this case is pending at the stage of statement defense.
No.
Have you given any death certificate, medical certificate of your
Death
sister-in-law?
certificate, I have not annexed, my lord. But my submission may be recorded because
No.
she is my own sister-in-law, my lord.
A medical certificate?
Medical certificate I can produce if it is on my WhatsApp, my lord. I just forward it to me because I was at that time at hospital, my lord. Some
That
communication.
certificate you won't get, so it is not given. It will take some time, that certificate, but at least from the hospital, death certificate, medical certificate.
And that will be
On what ground this case? Because you see, it will
Right.
again open the evidence.
Yes, that's true. That's true. my lord.
This case will again go back.
From the stage of cross-examination.
So we'll need some documents supporting your case.
It will also furnish, my lord. Let it be taken up at 2, my lord. Meanwhile, I can, my lord, if I.
No. How can you give me at 2? You will have to submit, then you have to produce through affidavit.
Tomorrow, another case, what I have, my lord, submitted only in 2 cases, my lord. This thing has been happened, but in other cases, it was going on, my lord, smoothly.
The other case is fixed tomorrow.
Tomorrow, my lord.
Okay, you produce along with the other case. This is fixed before this court or some other court?
Before your
Tomorrow,
lordship.
this court.
Before your lordship.
Then you can produce, but you must give it through affidavit.
I can, my lord.
Okay. All right. Lawyer counsel for the petitioner, Mr. M.K. Soma,
My lord.
has submitted that he will produce medical documents of his sister-in-law through an affidavit. List the matter on along with which one? You have another case also tomorrow?
Tomorrow, my building.
Along with which case?
Case number.
I don't know. 15. All right,
I can
now,
have 15.
leave the matter ridiculous. কালকে আছে যেহেতু এইটো হেৰি এইটো ৰাখি থৈ দিলে ভাল হ'ব এই দুটা
Case number to 5, yeah.
Finding item 6.
Oblige.
May I please, Your Honor?
Yes.
My lord, this revision is filed against the order of learned additional session judge Karimganj, that is now Sri Bhumi. My lord, I take your lordship one order, that is at page 31, passed by your lordship that while your lordship was a session court in 2015, And my client has very, she has preserved it. And your lordship
How
has,
can I take up this case? I cannot take up. I'll put it
no,
before.
no, you
another
can take
bench.
it. Your lordship has endorsed this view that he is not, the learned, the IO has rightly discharged, because that order was challenged by the informant. So, my lord, now what happened? The learned session, these three petitioners were not sent up, and your lordship has already upheld also. Now that IO has filed PP has filed a petition before the session court, that is at page 35, to implicate under 319 to implicate these two persons again. Now, my lord, your lordship know there is settled law on this point.
I cannot take it back. I cannot take it up.
Yes, madam.
He was before me. I cannot take it up. Again, that in the same case, he's.
No. This is the same case. Of course, that is your lordship has already hold that no, they are rightly discharged.
I cannot.
Then any other court.
This is matter before any other bench without me.
Like that. Eight আছে না? দেখুন। This is also from Sribhumi, my lord. Probably not, you are not in there. Well, in this case, there is no evidence against us, my lord. I take your lordship, page 7. They listed witness, my lord. Now, in this case, what happened, my lord?
Page 7.
Page 7, my lord.
Page 7 is.
The Champa Begum informant, what she says that the witness has started before the police around 4:25 at about 9:30 p.m. My husband went out for fishing from the river, but he did not return. And thereafter, on the next day at 11 a.m., I found my husband on the bank of the Ranipur Bill and raised the hue and cry. Then my younger son told me that prior to 2-3 days, the incident of my son, my husband had, while river for fishing, at that time accused Abdul Munim had some altercation. Well, on that suspicion, police arrested him. Now, the PW2, what he said?
See, this is 103.
Yes.
No, I'm not staying 103. 103. You want to stay?
Yes.
No. We'll call for the records and then we will stay. Let's see. We are going through the records.
But, my lord, the dispute is what, my lord, do you know, my lord? In the FIR, my name is not there. My lord, I've been charge sheeted, but there is no material against me.
You are charge sheeted.
Yes.
We'll call for the records.
Yes, call for the records, my lord. Till then, my lord, further proceeding may state, my lord. Further proceed. Otherwise, my lord, if it is proceeded, my lord, my petition will be futile, infractious.
It's pending at which stage?
Pending is now charged into frame.
Oh. You want to be discharged? You first pray for discharge there, then.
I have prayed, but court has not accepted it. That's why I'm because my medical report is nil, postmortem nil.
Charge sheet submitted under section 103. We will go through the records and then if there are grounds, we will stay. Learned Counsel Mr. S.C. Biswas is present for the petitioner who has filed this application under section 434. This is for the petitioner who has filed this application under section.
All the listed witnesses have not implicated.
Everything, division also.
Yes.
438, 442, read with section 528 of the BNWS 2023 with prayer for quashing the entire proceeding.
Yes.
With prayer for quashing the entire proceeding in connection with sessions case number
In connection with session case number 204/2025
2025
under section 1031.
under section 1031 of the BNS 2023. Learned additional PP Mr. MP Goswami is present for the respondent and has accepted notice. Full stop. Extra copies to be furnished. Full stop. Call for the scanned copies of the trial court records. List the matter after. When do you want? 1 week?
If it is comes, my lord, 1 week.
List the matter after 1 week.
But till then,
It will come.
Till then, my lord.
No.
Item number 23.
But then, interim prayer will be considered on receipt of the scan copy.
Okay, that can be recorded. Prayer for interim stay may be considered on receipt of trial court records. Call for the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the CDs. That's here. That's here.
Wait, please, your lordship. Lordship, in this matter, case diary was called for.
Yes, ma'am. It's very called for, but not received, my lord.
If I may draw my lord's attention,
No, no,
on
no.
order dated 15/12/2020.
We will need the case diary. This is
Definitely,
for-
lordship. I'm just drawing my lord's attention at order dated 15/12/2023. There was a positive note by my lords. 15/12, that is flag mark, if I may see, my lord. Lordship, it is that since then, lordship, the case diary has not been received by the court.
Okay.
If I may read,
This
lordship.
is pending at the stage of investigation.
Investigation. lordship. That is
Investigation.
the-
Okay.
And
What is
lordship,
your name? Learn, Mr.
H. Pitala, lordship. In fact, my lord, the
Learned
FIR does
Counsel
not
Mr.
name.
H. Pitala for the petitioner who has drawn the attention of this court to the order dated 15/12/2023. So it is submitted that since that for almost 2 years, the case diary has been called for, but the case diary is not forwarded. Had Mr. MP Goswami learned additional PP Assam. Full stop. Call for a case diary positively without fail. On learned counsel, Mr.
A. Singh, lordship, for respondent number 2.
A. Singh is present for respondent number 2. On failure, this case is under
Lordship.
which section?
Lordship, P. is Bogajan case, lordship, 17/2022, lordship.
Under which section?
Under 66D, E, and my lords will see 66D, 66E of the IT Act and added sections of 354A, 354C, 506, 509. Lordship, in fact,
Investigation is not complete.
not completed, lordship.
And
in the-
actually,
in
it's
the
difficult
FIR,
to complete also this type of case investigation.
And lordship,
Positively.
lordship, can it be 18, lordship, if I may pray?
18 years.
18. I'm deeply obliged.
I got a look in
25 and 26. May I please your lordship? Well, this
See, we have a problem here with
arising
LCR.
It's not required,
Yes, no,
matter is settled, madam.
Okay.
NIA cases, my lord,
Alright.
matters has been settled between both the parties.
Oh, how many cases?
3, my lord.
Huh?
3 cases
3 cases.
between the same parties.
Revision or only petition?
Petition, madam.
First one is, my lord, criminal petition, then criminal revision, third one is criminal petition.
Revision has to be disposed on merits.
Yes.
These two I will dispose it of just now, but revision has to be disposed on merits.
Madam, otherwise settled, madam. We have no objection, madam. I have received the entire.
This is maintenance amount.
No, my lord, this is a NIA
NIA
case.
case.
NIA
case, both the parties, my lord, they have settled.
can be.
Yes, yes.
Settlement.
Yes, yes.
NIA case can be settled.
Yes, madam.
All right. Learned counsel, Mr. B.M. Chaudhary, is present for,
Petitioners, my lord. Petitioner.
in all the cases.
In all the 3 cases, I am the petitioner.
Is present for the petitioners, 3টা case লিখে দিবা, হ্যাঁ? এইটো পাছতে।
লগত যাব।
এইটো এনেই পাছত এটা order লিখি দিব। For the petitioners, Srimati Mary Los. No.
Mary Los.
No.
Mary is wife, my lord, then Midul is husband, madam. Husband and wife, my lord. In one case, husband is there,
Okay.
another 2, my
For
lord.
the petitioners, Mary Loskor and Midul.
Loskor.
uh,
Kumar Loskor.
Midul Kumar Loskor in connection with the aforementioned criminal petitions and criminal revision petition. Full stop. Learned counsel, Mr. T.H. Hazarika.
M. Setia, my lord.
Learned counsel, Mr. M. Setia is present for respondent number 2. What is his name?
In
Dhanoda Akpuria.
Dhanoda Akpuria. Dhanoda Akpuria.
Dhanoda.
Dhanoda. D.
DHAND.
Srimati Dhanoda
Dhanoda
Akpuria.
Akpuria.
Srimati Dhanoda Akpuria and learned additional PP. Miss N. Das is present for the respondent state. It is submitted that both the parties have amicably settled their dispute. What is your condition?
All the payments have been made, my lord.
It is submitted that all the payments have been made by the respondent to the petitioner.
Yes.
And therefore,
No, no, my lord. Petitioner to the respondent.
by the petitioner to the respondent, by the petitioners to the respondent.
Number 2.
Respondent number 2.
2.
And therefore, both the parties have amicably settled their dispute. And amicably settle the dispute on compromise and
Yes.
settlement. As the matter is amicably settled between both the parties, and as no allegations, and as there are no allegations against the petitioners, the petitions number so and so, so and so, so and so are disposed of on compromise.
Yes, madam. Only, my lord, that CR case, my lord, to be mentioned, my lord. Criminal.
Yes, madam.
Arising out of it,
Arising
out of CR case number. এই গলিটো লিখিব লাগিব। One
8338
case only?
3, my lord, 8338,
Oh.
8337, and 8339.
এইটো
It is in the record, my lord. She can.
record to
Petition of-
যোন criminal petition to CR case to connect কৰি পেলাই লিখিব লাগিব।
First title lot আছে, inshallah.
I'm obliged.
আইটো লিখি দিবা। Rest হেৰি arising out of CR case বুলি কৈ কৈ and connect কৰি পেলাই। Item 27.
Lordship, matter may be adjourned for the day kindly.
Okay. An adjournment request has been.
My lord, here in this case, my lord, I am for the wife, my lord.
Yeah,
My lord, they are, my lord, very much default in payment, my lord, maintenance payment. my lord.
okay.
Can you fix next week, Lordship?
Next week,
No fixed date may be given, my lord.
with the consent of the other side. It is submitted by learned counsel, Mr. Yon
A Manna.
A. Mannam,
Ma-
that the petitioner has continuously defaulted in payment of maintenance. This is the matter on 12 December.
My lord.
Item 28. Item 28.
Jail appeal, Lordship.
হেৰি এপইণ্ট কৰি দিওঁ এমএকএছ কিউৰি লিষ্টখন দিয়াচোন চাই দিওঁ নামটো এমএকএছ কিউৰি আৰু লিগেল এড কাউন্সিল
Legally.
লিগেল এড কাউন্সিল দিয়াচোন লিগেল এড কাউন্সিলৰ লিষ্ট
P. Haldar.
কাক দিওঁ
P. Haldar.
পি হালদাৰ
P. Haldar.
P. Haldar video. This is a jail appeal preferred against the judgment and order dated. P. Haldar is not in the single bench, not with the single bench.
Then Lordship can do it.
Amicus curiae है ना, legal aid counsel ना है, legal aid counsel लियो, legal aid counsel. Judgment and order dated. আছে নেকি এইটো amicus curiae হয়, লিষ্টখন আছে দি দিছো ইয়াৰ পৰাই দি দিছো। amicus curiae পৰাই দি দিম, judgment and order dated. Nine 6/2025 passed by the learned session judge Sibsagar in connection with sessions case number 95 within bracket S-S bracket close of 2018. Sri Orno Pukon is appointed as the amicus curiae to represent the appellant stroke accused Sri Meghnad Nayak. Learned additional PP, Ms. N. Das is present for Ms. N. Das is present for the respondent state. Call for the trial court records, list the matter on
Item 29.
DL appeal lordship, 2930.
একে order দিবি বেলেগ এজন দিও তলৰ নামটো দি দিম কোনো দিও নেই এখেতক নিদো নেকি এবাৰ তেওঁ নাহিলে মনেশা কাৰে নাহিলে প্ৰিয়াংকি দাস পি দাস আহা নাছিলে পিয়েও আহা নাছিলে এও আহা নাছিলে দিছো আহা নাই তোৰ নামটো চেঞ্জ কৰি দিব বা তেওঁতো চিনি নাপাওঁ সাৰফৰাজকে দি দিওঁ সাৰফৰাজক দি দিয়া সাৰফৰাজ নাম আছে এইটো অৰ্ডাৰটো বিচাৰি ল'ব হা ইয়াৰ পৰা
Item 30.
DL appeal lordship.
আইটেম 30 নেকি
30.
এইটো কৈ দিব লাগিব সেশনস কেছ নাম্বাৰ ডেট চেট বেলেগ এজনক দি দিব বা আমাৰ কেছ দি দিও সব এইটো সুৰজিত দাসক দি দিয়া সুৰজিত দাস
Item 32.
Lordship, lordship, Pokso matter, lordship notice.
We'll issue notice.
Already informant and victim already
And lordship,
Without notice, nobody will have to appear. We'll have to issue notice.
earlier issued notice, my lord.
This is not private, huh?
Earlier issued notice.
Earlier issued notice.
and lordship scan copy also not received, lordship.
Okay.
Scan copy of LCR not received, lordship.
We'll need the scan copies of
Yes,
the
lordship.
Learned counsel, Mr. Huh?
At 2 p.m. my lord.
Scan copy is not there, so lordship.
No, no.
What is the meaning, lordship?
This is, no. We'll need the scan copies. I cannot pass order without scan copies.
Lordship.
I'll fix another date.
Short date, my lord.
Or I'll not give a date. I'll not give a date. Maybe next week. I'll fix it as next week.
My lord.
Okay. Learned counsel, Mr.
M. Hawk.
M. Hawk is present for the petitioner, comma, learned counsel, Mr.
I am for my I am for the
A,
information.
yes,
Yes,
is present for the respondent number 2.
three. I am for three. Yes.
And learned counsel, Mr. A. N. Chaudhary is present for respondent number 2 and learned additional PP Miss N. Das is present for the respondent state. Scan copies of the LCRS call for is not received. Issue reminder to forward the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the CD. List this matter next week.
Item 30. Date may be fixed, my lord. Date may be fixed, my lord.
No,
My lord, date may be fixed.
you are behind bars.
My lord.
You
No,
are
my
on
lord,
bail,
my
no?
lord.
Criminal petition.
But next
No,
date
no,
is.
criminal petition, I won't fix date.
Item 33.
Yeah, lordship.
Mm.
My senior is like for number 6 lordship. Matter maybe pass for the timing. Lordship.
33, lordship.
Second half lordship.
Osco matter.
No, no lordship.
Also, lordship, here's CD or scan copy is not received, lordship.
We do not have the records. We'll
Yes,
need it.
lordship. Record is not there. Record lagi ho to record.
We'll need the records.
Lordship. Lagi sab number sabule. Next week, lordship, any day.
Next week lordship.
Call for the scan copies of the trial court record. FIR registered case along with the scan copies of the CD. List the matter next week.
Lordship before 9 December lordship. Because next
I won't
date.
give date next week. Leave
Next
this matter next week.
trial court date, next date lordship 9 December.
Okay.
For CC lordship
Okay.
before.
8 December, 8/12. 8/12. আৰু পাঁচটা আছে ন second half লৈ লওঁ anything else
God bless you.
May I please your lord?
Yes, yes.
It is an application for 528 BNSS Act, praying for passing of complaint case 913/25 pending in the court of subdivisional judicial magistrate as Nagaon, my lord. Where the gist of the complaint is at
Response
eight-
number 2 has to appear.
Yes, Lordship.
If that order has been passed, interim order may be considered on appearance of respondent number 2.
Yes, to that effect, my lord, I have already inquired. The respondent has already received speech
I'll
post.
just check 24/11/2025. Just a minute, just a minute. 7/11/24/11 will be the last date, no? Neither ID card nor unserved notice in respect of respondent number 2 has yet been received back. I think they have received, but we have no office note regarding this.
My lord, this postal receipt may be similar.
Also, it has to be 1 month. 1 month.
They have received the notice from the High Court on 18/11, madam.
Oh, this is, then you submit with an affidavit. Consignment track report.
My lord.
Submit with an affidavit. Huh?
Let the matter may come on Wednesday.
Otherwise, you don't have to submit only. You can give this on 7/11, on 7. No, Wednesday, after taking steps, postal receipt, it has to be at least 1 month. According to, this is criminal, but according to CPC, it has to be at least 1 month.
My question is, my lord, I am not pressing this matter otherwise, my lord.
Hmm.
The question is, my lord, I have I have constructed a house.
I would
plea.
also have heard you, but you see, this earlier court has passed the order that respondent number 2 has to appear.
But God knows when when she will be appearing, because she has already received notice on 18/11.
Then you can give an affidavit.
I'll give it.
Consignment track report, that will be better then.
My lord.
We'll agree then.
My lord. On the
Even if she does not turn up, then we will give them affidavit.
my lord, matter may be fixed on Wednesday.
Wednesday, not possible.
Friday.
This week we are full, huh?
Friday.
Learned
I'll file
counsel-
affidavit to that.
Okay, learned counsel, Mr. D.R. Sakya
Dear Secretary.
is present and has
Assisted
requested for
by-
time to file an affidavit relating to service of notice to the
Respondent number 2.
respondent number 2. Okay. This is the matter on 5th December.
Item number 34. Highly obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Lordship, in this matter, scan copy was called for on 31/10/2025. Lordship, in that order, there was an observation that my interim would be considered on the next returnable date. But however, it was to be considered along with the CD. Lordship, it was reminded twice after that. Lordship may kindly observe that the interim may be considered on the next date along with the CD. On receipt of.
Okay. Learned counsel, Miss
N. Begum.
M. Begum is present for the petitioner. Scan copies of trial court records as called for is not received, no? Not received. Scan copies as called for is not received. Issue reminder to for the scan copies of the trial court records along with the scan copies of the FIR. Full stop. On receipt of the scan copies, the interim order may be considered. Learned additional PP, Miss N. Das is present for the respondent state.
Standing counsel LCV is.
Oh, nala, it is last sentence to cut it here.
Much obliged.
Item 36.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Production list item number 1.
Yes, you want to say something? You want to say something?
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord.
Yes, yes.
The observation that interim will be considered on that is item 440.
Okay. Interim order may be considered on
5th of December.
the next date of listing.
Highly up.
Item 36, Lordship.
Oh, production installation.
Lordship, may kindly take up IA 1231 of 25, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, there's a very small prayer, Your Honor. Lordship, if your Lordship may come peruse paragraph number 8, Lordship, 5, Lordship. Actually, there was small typographical error in the criminal petition, whereby the year of the PRC case number was written 23.
We'll allow.
Yes, Your Lordship.
We'll allow. It's only a typographical error.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Third learned counsel, Mr.
M.K. Das, Lordship.
M.K. Das, who has filed this application for correction of typographical order in connection with criminal petition numbers 361 of 2025. Heard Miss N. Das, learned additional PP, Assam. It is submitted that the case number has been wrongly reflected as PRC case number 244 of 2023 instead of 244 of 2025, full stop. This typographical error may be allowed to be rectified, full stop, wherever the number, PRC case number 244 of 2023 appears, comma, this may be corrected and typed as PRC case number 244 of 2025.
Lordship, one small prayer.
In criminal petition number 361 of 2025.
Lordship, yes, in criminal petition number 361, what has happened, the respondent number 2, because this is a family matrimonial dispute, Lordship, and a settlement has been done. So now, Lordship, even they have come with a quashi, because we have both agreed to withdraw these simultaneously. Yes, they've already filed, Lordship, on 12/12, the matter is fixed. Their petition, their criminal petition, Lordship.
But this is not listed today, no?
No, that is not listed, but in our criminal, if our criminal petition can be fixed on 12/12.
Oh, yes, sure.
Yes, Your Lordship.
Huh? Okay.
So both the matters can be disposed of together.
Criminal petition number 361 2025 Likita list this matter on 12/12.
Deeply obliged.
It is criminal petition item. I to dispose kori diba.
Lordship.
Item 38.
You wanted to say something?
Yes, Your Lordship, I've been appointed as the legal aid counsel for the wife, who's the respondent number 1, Your Lordship, but I have only received the petition and the annexures, so the entire bunch is of 254 pages, Your Lordship. I've only received the petition.
Okay, furnish the
By today itself. Lordship, what I'm praying, there was an observation of this honorable court that the interim order will be considered on appearance of the party respondent.
Yes, Your Lordship,
So what
but Your
I'm-
Lordship
what
will have
I'm-
to.
without the copy, how?
Okay, I'll provide today itself. Now itself I'll provide. What
No,
I'm
no,
praying-
now.
No, I have the copy.
How will she read and submit now?
No. I'm not praying for that. What I'm praying, since the matter has been listed for orders, that it fixed for admission, and on that date, the interim order will be considered, and I'll furnish the copy today.
Learned counsel, Mr.
Hey, Roy.
Your name is not in the.
Yeah, I filed a call, but by mistake, it has been not reflected.
Mr. Aero is present for the petitioner and has submitted that. He has submitted Wakalat Nama, which was registered to reflect the name of Mr. Aero for appearing for the petitioner. Learned counsel, learned legal aid counsel, Miss N.K. Brown is present for respondent number 1 and has submitted that she has not received the copy of the petition. She has
Document-
received only the copy of the petition. Full stop. Extra copies of the petition and other documents to be furnished to the respondent number 1 within 3 days. 3 days?
My lord.
Okay. Learned additional PP Miss N. Das is present for the state of Assam. List this matter for admission.
My lord, the matter is fixed for on 12th in the lower court, so I'm praying for a short date.
Okay.
On 8th,
11.
can it be on 8th?
No.
Okay.
If it's too many matters.
Your Lordship, may I pray for a date prior to 11th? Because if it's
Yes.
fixed on 12th, 10th or 9th.
10th.
9 দিব পাৰিব নেকি?
You're in the right.
List this matter on 9 December. For admission, on 9 December for admission.
The observation will be made, interim order will be considered on. Interim
The
order.
prayer for interim order, admission, we will dispose it of.
My lord.
Item 39.
May I please, Your Lordship? Your Lordship, in Lordship. The Lordship may not be inclined to take this matter. This matter relates to Dulal Bora, Lordship.
Oh, yes, yes, no, he's my neighbor, no?
Yes,
Cannot take up
Lordship.
this matter.
Yes, yes.
List this matter before any other court without me. You cannot take up matters of neighbors.
Yes, Lordship. Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Mm.
কি লাগে?